Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Today, we're going to walk you through a quick and easy guide on how to reset your TRENDnet TEW822DRE Wi-Fi range extender. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or setting it up for the first time, a reset can often solve the problem. Let's get started. Resetting your TRENDnet TEW822DRE Wi-Fi range extender is necessary to resolve connectivity issues, clear incorrect settings, or restore factory defaults. It's also helpful when reconfiguring the device for a new network or troubleshooting performance problems. First, plug the extender into a power outlet near your router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid green, which may take a minute. This ensures the extender is powered on and ready for setup. First, locate the reset button on your TRENDnet TEW822DRE Wi-Fi range extender. It's usually a small, recessed button on the side or back of the device. You might need a paperclip or a pin to press it. Now, take your paperclip or pin and press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. You'll notice the lights on the extender will start to blink. This indicates that the reset process has begun. Keep holding the button until the lights stop blinking and return to a steady state. This usually takes around 10 to 15 seconds. Once the lights stabilize, release the button. Your TRENDnet TEW822DRE is now reset to its factory default settings. After the reset, you'll need to reconnect your devices to the extender. Go to your Wi-Fi settings on your phone, laptop, or tablet, and look for the default network name of your TRENDnet extender. Once connected, open a web browser and type in the default IP address for the extender, which is usually 192.168.10.1, or check the manual for the exact address. If you experience any issues or need assistance, our team of experienced professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for expert support and guidance. You can contact us at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt assistance. And that's it. You've successfully reset and reconfigured your TRENDnet TEW822DRE Wi-Fi range extender. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.